One of the clubs that I run here at PTEC is our Games Club. We have 2 theater-sized screens that are in our multi-purpose room here at PTEC, and we plug in our video game consoles, and we're playing basically on a theater, so it's pretty fun. We have Super Smash Brothers and Mario Kart are sort of the big popular games that we play quite a bit. We've got lots of controllers, so we can have 16 people playing at a time. So it's just a fun, friendly environment where anybody can play. And we encourage our students from other grades to come back and come hang out and play some games.
I run the Esports Program at PTEC. We enter different tournaments such as Rocket League tournaments, League of Legends. We also play local in-house games against one another. I also run the chess program where different students at PTEC compete against one another in a league and then have a tournament at the end.
Hello, my name is Scott Hardman, and I am the coach for our Cyber Patriot and Cyber Titan teams here at PTEC. Cyber Patriot is an international competition where competitors focus on fixing vulnerabilities in several different operating systems. The operating systems we focus on are Windows 10, Windows Server, and 2 different Linux operating systems, Ubuntu and Debian. We train students to look for and fix these vulnerabilities in different virtual machines. And these students receive points for the vulnerabilities that they find and fix in these virtual machines. Cyber Titan is the Canadian arm of Cyber Patriot, and our students compete simultaneously in the Cyber Patriot and Cyber Titan competitions. In second semester, we focus on the Canadian Cyber Defense Challenge, which is related to Cyber Patriot because a lot of the content and knowledge that we learn for Cyber Patriot is directly transferable to the Canadian Cyber Defense Challenge. So competitors that compete in Cyber Patriot are highly recommended to join the Canadian Cyber Defense Challenge. In fact, last year we had a team that received silver in the high school category in the Canadian Cyber Defense Challenge.
Another club that I run is the Dungeons and Dragons Club. There we play Dungeons and Dragons, which a lot of people aren't sure what it is, so I'll give a quick explanation. Basically, Dungeons and Dragons is considered a tabletop role-playing game, and that means that we sit around and we create a story together and we roll dice to see what the outcomes are. So I run the game. I'm the dungeon master, game master. I'll have our students be the players, and so I'll set up a situation. They'll say what they want to do, and then I make them roll dice. Depending on what they roll, they'll either be successful or fail at what they were trying to do. So it's a lot of fun. It's a silly, creative, fun, expressive outlet for our students. We've actually got so many students now that I've had to get some students that also help run other games. So it's growing quite a bit, and it's really quite a lot of fun. We have lots of laughs, and it's just a great place to hang out.